introduce myself. My name is Revalina Aprilia. In this video, I want to tell about liabilities. Nah, okay, let's watch the video. First material is liabilities divine. In general, liabilities are a future sacrifice of economic resources to be made by an entity arising from past event or transaction. In other words, liabilities are obligations to be repaid, such as debt that arise as a result of the use of certain funds or resources. According of the Indonesian Institute of Accountant or EIE and Statement of Financial Accounting Standard, liabilities is a present obligation arising from past event, the settlement of which is expected to result in an outflow of the entity resource containing economic benefit. Example of liabilities is current liabilities. Current liabilities the following are the element of current liabilities is 1. Account payable, 2. Not payable, 3. Unearned revenue, 4. Salaries or wages payable, 5. Tax payable, 6. Accrued expense or accrued liabilities, and 7. Short-term debt due within 1 year. The importance of current liabilities in corporate finance: 1. Assess the liquidity of company, 2. Efficient cash management, 3. Determining interest expense and financial risk. Next material is past transaction. Some key characteristic of past transaction is A. Already occurred. The transaction or event that give rise to liability must have occurred before the liabilities can be recognized. B. Incurrence of liability. As a result of the past transaction, the company has a legal or constructive obligation to settle the liability. C. Future use of resources. The obligation requires the expenditure of asset to settle the liabilities in the future. D. D2 example of past transaction: 1. Purchase of goods on credit, 2. Taking a bank loan, 3. Issuance of bond, 4. Recognition of or tax payable, 5. Employee compensation or bonus or salaries payable, 6. Lawsuit claim settlement. Nah, next material is liability recognition. The recognition of liability must follow generally accepted accounting principles such as the Financial Accounting Standard Board or FISB and International Financial Reporting Standard or IFRS. The recognized liability, 3 main criteria must be met. 1. Existence of liability. There must a clear and identifiable obligation. 2. reliable measurement. The value of the obligation must be reliably measured. 3. Chance of outflow of resort. There is a high probability that settlement of the obligation will result in an outlay of result. Material is step in the process of recognizing liabilities. 1. Event identification. 2. Valuation. 3. Recognition in financial statement. Recognition of liability is important to provide an accurate picture of the company financial position. This helps stakeholders in making informed decisions, such as 1. Investor. Investor understand risk and potential returns. 2. Creditor. Creditor assess the company ability to meet its obligation. And 3. Management. Management makes strategic decision regarding debt management. Next material is liability measurement. Liability measurement is the process of determining the value of the liability in accordance with accounting standard. There are two methods of measuring liability. Is 1. Historical cost. The most common method of measuring liability, recording liabilities at the value at which they were accrued. 2. Fair value. Liabilities are measured based on the fair value or present value of expected payment. This method is used at the inception of the transaction, particular for leases and financial instruments. Lastly, the importance of liabilities in corporate finance. Liabilities provide a company with a source of funds to run its operation, especially in investment or expansion. However, high liabilities can increase the company financial risk, especially in the event of liquidity difficulties. Therefore, good liabilities management is essential of maintaining a balance between utilizing debt for growth and controlling the company financial risk. Okay, that was explanation about liabilities. Hopefully useful, and see you.